Alright folks, and Beggar's back again, and in today's video we're going to have a look at an intriguing villain called Magic Railroad Destroyer. Now, his main weapons are his big claws and daggers and whatnot, and his main powers are he has the power to control the 7 deadly sins like gluttony, greed, sloth, wrath, lust, envy, and pride, and gain their respective powers that are linked to said sins. Like wrath-powered pyrokinesis, or, and he does have the power to control time and space, and yeah, he can control the minds and souls and reality, and he has power manipulation. Yeah, his power control for time and space very dangerous, to the point where he ages his targets to dust, a few hundred years, if you will. And he does have energy manipulation, and he's also got Umbra kinetic powers, and he has nightmare based powers, and he does have the power to control moonlight, and he has nighttime control, and he has the power to control destruction, and yeah, and he can control vice, yeah, and he can control death, yeah, both the cause of death and the forces of death. He can similarly control negative forces, and he has demonic force control. He has demonization, and he has demonic empowerment, and he's got demonic cyborg physiology, yeah, and he's also got reactive adaptability and adaptive augmentation, and yeah, and he can morph his hands into a variety of technological weapons. Yeah, and yeah, he's got superhuman strength and durability, right? He's virtually indestructible, and he's got mobile invulnerability and juggernaut momentum, and yeah, and his main weakness is that while the Magic Railroad Destroyer is designed only to kill Elysia Magic, he's not very smart, and he's also unable to counteract attacks that were not recorded into him, and can be counteracted and destroyed by them. Yeah, and those red cores at his arms are his power source. If they were destroyed in some way, then he will lose power and shut down, if not be destroyed. Yeah, that's all I've got time for in this video, so thanks for watching, and have a great day.